Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in here in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in here. When you try to open an app on Windows 11, you get this error, Smart App Control Block. As you see in here, I will show you right now. Smart App Control blocked a file that may be unsafe. Well, let's click OK. So we have two fixes for this problem. We have a temporary fix. This is if you only have one specific app you need to run. Follow the steps. Click right, go to properties on the app you want to run and check on Unblock. Click apply. OK, let's try again. As you see, it's working, but if you have another app you will need to do the same step over and over again. This step is only if you have one app too. Now let's apply the permanent fix for this issue on Windows 11. So now go to Start menu. Tap Windows Security. Click on it. Go to the left. Go for app and browser control. Click on Smart App Control Settings. Just turn off this off by selecting off. Well, now the problem is fixed. You will no longer fix this issue on Windows 11. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this. See you in another video. Bye bye.